Imagine there's a secret world living inside you, a world that never sleeps, never stops working, and quietly decides how healthy you are. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's true. Inside your body lives a massive, invisible city filled with tiny living creatures that keep you alive and well. And the most amazing part? What you eat every single day decides how strong or weak that hidden world becomes. Deep inside your stomach and intestines lives a busy community of tiny organisms, so small you need special tools to see them. Together, they form what scientists call your gut microbiome, a powerful world that acts almost like an extra organ in your body. These tiny helpers digest your food, make important vitamins, and protect you from harmful invaders. They are your body's unseen heroes, always working, always supporting you. But here's the real question. Do you eat just for yourself or for the trillions of tiny friends living inside you too? Comment below. Did you know your meal actually feeds billions of microbes inside your gut? Let's see how many of you already knew this. When you eat fruits, vegetables, beans, and grains, you're not only feeding your body, you're feeding your gut's little workers too. Their favorite food is called dietary fiber, something your body can't fully digest, but your microbes can. As this fiber reaches your large intestine, your tiny helpers break it down and turn it into something magical, short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. These SCFAs are like healthy gifts your microbes give back to you. They strengthen the wall of your gut, boost your immune system, and reduce harmful inflammation inside your body. One of these, called butyrate, is especially powerful. It keeps your gut cells healthy, protects against diseases, and even helps your body control blood sugar. But when you don't eat enough fiber, your tiny helpers go hungry. They become weak, and bad bacteria start to take over. So remember, eating fiber-rich foods is not just good for your body, it's also food for your microscopic friends inside you. If you'd like me to make another video showing the top 5 superfoods for a healthy gut, type "Yes, Gut Power" in the comments below. Some foods contain prebiotics, special types of fiber that your body can't digest, but your good bacteria love. You'll find them in raw garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas. Then there are probiotics, live, friendly bacteria that join your gut community. You can find them in yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut. When you eat these foods, it's like inviting new, helpful guests to live inside you, making your gut stronger and more balanced. Here's something fascinating. Around 70% of your immune system lives in your gut. Yes, most of your body's defense army is right there, learning from your gut microbes. And your gut doesn't just affect your body, it also talks to your brain. Ever felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? That's your gut-brain connection in action. Your gut sends messages to your brain that can influence your mood, stress, and even happiness. So, a healthy gut can actually help you stay calm, focused, and positive. Your gut is like a living ecosystem, full of life, color, and energy. When you take care of it, it takes care of you. A happy gut means a stronger body, a clearer mind, and a better mood. So, if you want to build a happy gut, here's what to do. Eat a wide variety of colorful plant foods, add fiber-rich fruits, vegetables, and grains to your meals, enjoy probiotic foods like yogurt or fermented dishes, and avoid too much sugar and processed junk. Your gut is your body's hidden power source. Feed it well, and it will keep you healthy, active, and full of life. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing health stories. And remember, next time you eat, think about this. You're not just feeding yourself, you're feeding the amazing little world living inside you.